Machine Sentry Next Generation.
We have slightly changed how we run reports in the new version of Machine Sentry. Throughout the portal, you will now notice the report button is available in the top right hand corner of the screen. As previously, data within the report is dependent on the level that you are currently at within the hierarchy. We will enter our site first of all, and for this example we will go down to our area level. Then we go to the report button and select Area Reports. The window that appears in the middle of the screen will give all report options available at that particular level. So select the report you wish to run, and in this example we will choose the Reliability Service report. The options that follow will be dependent on the report selected, but will usually consist of a date range, asset criticality, asset categories, report ordering, and available selections, etc. Select the options required from each of these sections using the tick boxes provided and selecting the Next button. Finally, when you come to the last set of options, you will be prompted to generate the report. Once you hit Generate, you will notice a loading icon appear on the Report button in the top right of your window. Your report will generate in the background, allowing you to continue working whilst the report is being written. Once it is complete, it will display a number, and then you can go to the Report button, click on the report, which will be named after the level in the hierarchy you choose to run from, and the name of the report selected. The Reports button will then hold the last 5 reports that you generated.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.